DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creators Pack. We have holder, which is really nice. Usual branding, Osmo, DJI, pretty similar to the microphones or the mic 2s that I've got. And then there's a little lightweight one as well. I think that's for all your little bits that you can put in there. It's pretty neat. You have the Osmo Pocket 4. You have the two wind, what are they called? Cattails for your mic. You have the little mini mic, which goes with everything that it should do. So all magnetic, straight on, magnetic, straight on. We have the stand for the tripod that you build up here. That just screws into there. And that's your stand. And then we have the fisheye and your lighting for your vlogs. Now, before you set off and everything's unboxed, make sure, we'll just put that out there and we'll put that over here, but make sure you go onto the DJI store, download the MIMO app and register and hook the device up. DJI will give you the option of a 1 year or 2 year warranty pack. I think the 2 year pack is £50 GBP. And once it's registered, Bluetoothed on, you're ready to go. Now, let's get into it. Obviously protected, as you can see. I've kept this on just as a bit of a reminder for me, so what way I need to swipe it, but swipe it and we take it off. Swipe it over to turn it on, and the device is on. Now, you can Bluetooth this device. I haven't charged it up yet. This is just a quick review just to show you what it all looks like. But it comes with 107 gig internal storage, and that's easily accessed here. So you'll see the internal storage is 107.1 gig. SD card, and then your storage there. Now, your storage point on the side, I have 512 card, so I'm just going to slot that in, and I'm hoping it'll register it. We'll do it while we're here. Formatting, as you can see. And then back again. I actually think I maybe have a corrupted card. I could be wrong. We'll go back to that. But yeah, anyway, that's, you put that in, whatever card you want. We'll give you obviously your capture, and you've obviously got your 107 gig on there. Now 107 gig sounds a lot, but to be honest with you, if you're capturing anything on 4K, ideally at 24 bit rate, it won't last very long, but that's the best quality that you can get. Onto the mic. The mic's fairly easy, to be honest with you. All this needs charging up. Is a fairly quick review, but turn your mic on. It'll go blue. DJI Osmo microphone hooked up. A little bit there goes yellow, where it says mic. I think you can see that. There we go. And that's you hooked up. So obviously you're on now. This here, your gimbal, and it goes, your gimbal, this here goes in for your tripod. Your tripod then hooks up. Do it fairly quick, and obviously that sits up there like so, and that's where we're at with it now. Let's do a bit of recording on it, and we can go from there. Okay, so that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. I filmed this on the actual Pocket 4, this section. Earlier, I filmed on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, so you could see the difference in it. The light is on now. There's a variety of little settings on it. Harsh. Don't know if you can actually see that or pick that up, but it is pretty cool how it's doing it. And this is the wide-angled lens, which I think is pretty neat as well. Magnetic, so it just goes straight onto the gimbal camera. But all in all, the creator pack, I think, is well worth it. I think I paid, I'll confirm it, but I think I paid £450 for this. Now, with that, you get the tripod, you get the Osmo Pocket 4 extension, so that you can run a podcast or put it down anywhere and, you know, take your footage to the next level. You get the wide-angled lens, you get the light, you get the microphone itself. As you can see, it's picked up, there's no problems with it. You get all your little bits, charging leads, charger, and a nice little pack, nice little thing to carry it about in. So if you were buying this separately, I just think this is worth it for everything that you get, and a great starter as well. Yeah. So please like, comment, subscribe, share. It means the world to us small creators. I hope you find this video interesting. If you do have any comments, please leave them. I will look at them. We will get back to you. Until the next time, ride safe.